Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the Samsung screen too dark even at maximum brightness. Go to settings, tap on a display. So let me show you some options that we need to disable. Okay, simply scroll down. Here you can see the option Eye Comfort Shield. You need to turn off this option. Okay, and you need to turn off the power saving mode also. Go back to the main settings, tap on battery, scroll down. Here you can see the option power saving. You need to turn off this option also. And again go back to display. You need to adjust the brightness slider manually. So simply in this way we can fix the screen too dark even at the maximum brightness. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.